Hello, this is Andrew with Fat Ox Public Adjusters here at the Moore Hail and Wind Claim. Taking a look at the roof, just finished up my inspection and I reviewed the engineer's report on site just to see if there was anything that was overlooked. So I'm going to start. This is a recent repair. Right here you can see 1, 2, 3, these newer shingles, and then the overlapping shingles, how they reacted to that repair. So inadvertent subsequent mechanical damage. You can see it's sealed under here by some additional sealant strip. So pretty obvious, especially I wouldn't say it was affirmed by the engineer's report, but we can tell from the description of the age of the shingles, as well as this evidence here, that the shingle is non-repairable. Here's another repair right here. That's a newer shingle. All right, and then the older ones, and again, inadvertent subsequent mechanical damage. Overview of the roof. Looked at areas that may have not been covered by the engineer, places that he didn't think to look for evidence of hail and wind damage. Right here we have what the insured is claiming is the result of wind-driven debris. Tree limb being thrown at a high velocity onto the roof. Here on this fascia we have a pretty good indication of storm damage impact. Same thing with this. These are the front dormers. Okay, also had an impact on this gutter here, right where I put my ladder. We have close-up photos of all these damages being claimed by the insured as well. So another area of concern that I did not see covered in the engineer's report was this chimney flashing, counter flashing. You can see impacts indicative of storm damage. And then the same thing with this bottom portion of counter flashing, chimney flashing. Okay. Insured is claiming that is a result of wind-driven debris impacting the shingle. There's multiple examples of stress fracturing about the roof. Another indicator of the shingle's age and fragility. Stress fracture right here. Another example that we're going to of what the insured is claiming is the result of wind-driven debris. As you can see, lots of tall trees above the property, potentially limb being blown off. And you'll see right here that line. All right, so the shingle has seen a lot of granule loss, a lot of age. If a limb were to impact the property, it's likely that it would take some more granules with it, and we could clearly see where it impacted and the damage that was left behind. Just another example of stress fracturing. This is the back slope. A lot darker, harder to see any damages. Example of potential wind here. You'll see missing dimensional shingle or applique. This is where it was, and this is the remainder of that shingle. All right, so again, just did my inspection of the roof. A few things that wanted to bring to the carrier's attention, and hopefully we can get an explanation from the engineer or follow up. Thank you.